In today's digital age, generative AI is becoming increasingly important. It's a tool that's helping us solve complex problems, making our lives easier and opening up a world of possibilities we're only beginning to explore. So as we step into a future shaped by generative AI, what does this mean for our society? The economic landscape is shifting, and generative AI stands at the helm. This technology is redefining the way we operate, driving efficiency and innovation across various industries. Take healthcare, for example. Generative AI is now being utilized to accelerate drug discovery, a process that traditionally takes years and billions of dollars. By generating thousands of potential compounds and testing their efficacy virtually, we can fast-track this process, potentially saving countless lives and substantial amounts of money. In the finance sector, generative AI is revolutionizing risk assessment. Traditional models often struggle with the complexity and volume of financial data. However, with generative AI, we can simulate countless scenarios, making predictions more accurate and mitigating potential risks. But it's not just about efficiency. Generative AI is a powerful catalyst for creativity and innovation. In the world of design, for instance, it can generate a plethora of concepts in seconds, opening the doors to unprecedented creativity. In music and art, it's allowing creators to experiment with new styles and mediums, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Moreover, generative AI is boosting productivity. From automating routine tasks to providing valuable insights, it's enabling businesses to focus on strategic decision-making and growth. But what does this mean for our economies? Well, it's a game changer. The increased efficiency and productivity that generative AI brings are fueling economic growth. It's paving the way for new business models and opportunities, creating wealth and jobs. However, it's important to note that this technology also comes with challenges. From job displacement due to automation to ethical concerns around data and privacy, we need to navigate these issues carefully. In conclusion, generative AI is not just changing the way we do business, it's reshaping our economies. It's creating a world where innovation is limitless, productivity is maximized, and economic growth is exponential. As we move forward, understanding and embracing this technology will be key to thriving in this new economic landscape. Beyond economics, generative AI is also transforming our social fabric. This influence is visible in various ways, and today, we'll highlight a few key areas. Firstly, let's consider communication. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way we interact. It's powering chatbots, virtual assistants, and even language translation systems. These technologies are helping to break down language barriers and foster more inclusive communication. Imagine a world where language differences are no longer a barrier to understanding one another. This is the future that generative AI is helping to create. Next, let's talk about creativity. Art, music, literature, all these fields are being transformed by generative AI. AI is now capable of creating paintings, composing music, and even writing poetry. It's not about replacing human creativity, but augmenting it, offering new tools and possibilities for artists and creators. It's opening doors to new forms of expression that were previously unimaginable. Lastly, let's look at problem solving. Generative AI is increasingly being used to find solutions to complex problems. It's helping scientists speed up research, assisting in climate modeling, and even aiding in the discovery of new medicines. It's not just about making our lives easier, but also about tackling some of the world's most pressing issues. But the societal implications of generative AI go even beyond these examples. It's also playing a crucial role in creating inclusive and accessible technologies. AI can generate alternative text for images, helping visually impaired individuals access digital content. It can also translate sign language into spoken language, empowering individuals with hearing impairments. As we can see, generative AI's influence extends into every corner of our society. It's not just a technological revolution, but a social one as well. It's about enhancing human capabilities, breaking down barriers, and making the world a more inclusive place. The societal impact of generative AI is vast and transformative, and we're only at the beginning of this journey. As this technology continues to evolve, Who knows what other social transformations lie ahead? Generative AI is revolutionizing the job market. It's like a thrilling new chapter in the book of technological evolution, one that is turning the pages of our professional lives at lightning speed. With its ability to create and innovate, generative AI is transforming the job market in ways we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. Picture this. We are now living in an era where AI can write articles, compose music, create art, and even generate code. This doesn't mean that human creativity is becoming obsolete. Quite the contrary. What we are witnessing is a fascinating fusion of human and artificial creativity, birthing new roles and redefining existing ones. For instance, consider the role of AI ethicists, who ensure that AI applications respect human values and adhere to ethical guidelines. This job didn't exist a decade ago, but today it's one of the most sought-after roles in the tech industry. Similarly, AI trainers who teach AI systems how to perform specific tasks are also on the rise. On the other hand, traditional roles are evolving too. Writers, for instance, are now working alongside AI to generate content, while artists are leveraging AI to create stunning visual masterpieces. This isn't a displacement of human effort. It's an enhancement, a collaboration. So, what does this mean for you, for us, for everyone who's navigating this changing job market? Well, it calls for continuous learning and adaptation. As the saying goes, the only constant in life is change. This is especially true in a world that's increasingly powered by AI. The key to thriving in this new job market is to embrace the opportunities that come with it. This might mean upskilling, reskilling, or even learning to collaborate with AI. It's about staying curious, staying open, and most importantly, staying informed. In the face of such change, staying ahead means staying informed and adaptable. The societal impact of generative AI is vast and multifaceted. We've journeyed through its economic and social implications and how it's revolutionizing the job market. The importance of understanding this transformative technology cannot be overstated. It's reshaping our world and the way we interact with it. Join us in our next episodes to continue exploring the fascinating world of technology. Be sure to subscribe to Demystify Tech to stay updated.